want to see how I got my hair like this. Okay, maybe not exactly like this. I'm gonna just show you guys an example of how I did a lock knot, but maybe, yeah, you wanna watch? Stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, welcome to the Quality Gang. Okay, technically y'all quality babes, and it's a gang, kind of, sort of. Anyways, I'm Diamond, also known as the Quality Name, here on YouTube, Instagram, and technically Twitter. Today I just wanted to show you guys how I did my lock knot bob. Well, technically I'll only show you how to do a couple of them because this was just a random spurt of I want to get real cute, and I ended up recording, but I felt like I didn't get the best footage. But by the time I started recording, I had already did pretty much all of the lock knots in my head. So if you do stay tuned, I do show you a more close-up look of what I am doing. But this was one of the lock knots that I did while I was doing the initial hairstyle. Right now I'm just showing you the slowed down version, and I just started off with doing rope twists, and I do have a tutorial, I think 2 maybe now, of rope twists that I will link right here. The number one rule for rope twists, in my opinion, is that they stay, and that's how you know you have done your rope twist correctly. So here you see me just placing a rubber band on the end, just for that double added security. And now I'm going to proceed to do the lock knot. Okay, after I do a couple more turns with the, security. Yes. Okay, so you want to bring the end of your lock up to the desired length that you would like. Wrap it around your lock, and wrap it around as many times as you need to. Because I was closer to the front, I only needed to wrap around once, and then I just pulled through and pulled the knot down. And I don't know, I used to do, they called them cocoon curls when I was a loose natural, and this really reminds me of that. But now I'm going to show you a more detailed look at exactly how I did the lock knot. So I took down one of my babies, and that's why it's all crinkled up. But here I'm just showing you, starting off again with that rope twist. And I was trying to get the angle right so it would focus in on the hair. It's so crazy how it does not show my true hair color on camera at all. Like when people see me in person, they're like, whoa, a lot brighter than what I thought it was. I'm like, I know, right? But I guess it's like that natural sunlight, maybe, I don't know, something like that. I feel like you can kind of see it once I get towards the ends. And now I'm grabbing my rubber band. Just putting this on it to make sure that it is secure. I take my lock up to the length that I would like it to be. And then I wrap the excess lock around. And then I wasn't sure if you guys could see this, so I do record it twice, but I pull through and I just push the knot down to the end to cover up the end that I just tucked. So take it down, show you guys one more time. I wrap it around. Ooh. I wrap it around. I pull that end through. Ooh, oh, ma'am, we can't even, what? And then I pull the knot down, and there you have it. And that is all that I did for this hairstyle. In the front, I did do just 2 strand or just rope twist in the front so it could be like a cute little bob. But yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week. Peace.